How to get a ring flash on Snapchat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to get a ring flash on Snapchat. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat, and if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, so which means that my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So first is you have to go back to your home page and click on Snapchat. Now, if your Snapchat is updated, you will see the icon here on the right. You will see this invert camera icon. So first is you have to make sure that your camera is you are using your front camera. As you can see here, I'm using my front camera. And below that this icon, you will see the flash sign icon here on the upper right. You click on that, and here you are given different tones for your ring flash. So you have white, you have yellow, and you have blue. Let's go back. You could actually choose the intensity for the flash, and basically that is how you get ring flash on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.